Hello there, welcome to the latest episode of Indian Ocean Songs. Hope everyone's good. Thanks to all of you checking out these videos on Instagram as well as YouTube, where of course you can hear the full track. Today we're headed to Ethiopia and we're going to be listening to this song by Alemayehu Ashete, very well-known vocalist in Ethiopia, who alongside Mahmoud Ahmed and Talunja Sese were some of the key voices in what's often termed the golden era of Ethiopian music, just towards the end of the reign of Haile Selassie and just before the oppressive Derg regime of Mengistu. This era has been pretty well documented, so I won't say too much about it, but essentially musicians who are trained up to play in military and police bands moonlighted in the evening at hotels and clubs, fusing the local pentatonic scales with rock and roll and soul and funk music, and coming up with I guess you could say a modern identity for Ethiopian music at that time that was really, really unique. And when it was rediscovered and reissued a few years ago, it really caught people's ears and attention, and rightly so. This track is very, very slow and it's very, very beautiful. Some of the records at the time were not recorded that well. The recording facilities were quite limited, but this one sounds really good. And as you'll hear, there's this sort of weird delay which is added to the vocal and to the snare drum, which just creates a sort of slightly sort of uneasy vibe, at least in my opinion anyway. But of all of his tracks, yeah, this stands the test of time as one of my favourites of his. So I shall say no more about it, but I hope you enjoy. This is Alemayehu Ashete from Ethiopia.
Yandu betsi godi andu yeterefon Yandu betsi godi andu yeterefon Kufuna begoni zaman siasalefon Kufuna begoni zaman siasalefon أنا جن مرة مدي كتواجعكم جنا أنا جن مرة مدي كتواجعكم جنا توهان دمين مدو شهر صوت لنا توهان دمين مدو شهر صوت لنا ياسر سانتيم قولو كرشم አደርግና አንዷን ታሳውካ ጭልጥ አደርግና ተመስገን ላለው ኑሮ ይባልና ተመስገን ላለው ኑሮ ይባልና መኖር በዚህ ዓለም ከፍላጎት ጋር ነው መኖር በዚህ ዓለም ከፍላጎት ጋር ነው ልናዘዝ በቁሜ ያጣ እንደሞተ ነው ልናዘዝ በቁሜ ያጣ እንደሞተ ነው የዋሃኔ ጭፋሮ የወሸኔ የዋሃኔ ጭፋሮ እዚያው ፈላ ሞላ ላምናም ለዘንድሮ እዚያው ፈላ ሞላ ላምናም ለዘንድሮ በማግኘት ባያልፈው ለፍቶ ተቸግሮ በማግኘት ባያልፈው ለፍቶ ተቸግሮ የቆቅ ያህል ነበር የሰው ልጆች ኑሮ የቆቅ ያህል ነበር የሰው ልጆች ኑሮ ጎዳኝ እንጂ እኔ ሰው አላማ ጊዜው ጎዳኝ እንጂ እኔ ሰው አላማ ያህያ ልጅ በቅሎ ወርቅ ተሸልማ ያህያ ልጅ በቅሎ ወርቅ ተሸልማ እውነት ስትጠፋ ፍርዱ ሲጓደል እውነት ስትጠፋ ፍርዱ ሲጓደል ሕግ ላለው ሆነች ቂም ለመበቀል ሕግ ላለው ሆነች ቂም ለመበቀል ደም ተፍቶ የሚሰራ ዋጋውን አይጣ ደም ተፍቶ የሚሰራ ዋጋውን አይጣ ቢሮ ለስም ደርሶ ይቅር ገባ ወጣ ቢሮ ለስም ደርሶ ይቅር ገባ ወጣ እጅግርን አጣምሮ ራስህ ተንተርሶ እጅግርን አጣምሮ ራስህ ተንተርሶ የበሉት እንጀራ ይወጣል ደም ጎርሶ የበሉት እንጀራ ይወጣል ደም ጎርሶ የበሉት እንጀራ ይወጣል ደም ጎርሶ